Ethiopia Orchids Garden USA. Here I'm showing you one of my oxalis. This one is like maroon color, and it's losing excuse me, she's losing her leaves. They're drying out. You know, it's winter. It is actually a perennial, but I don't want to keep it outside because I want to watch it, you know, all winter long. Beautiful leaves. They're maroon. It stops flowering, so that's fine. I moved it from downstairs to upstairs here by the door. And growing and wood bark chips. Beautiful plants. I love it. It's very easy to take care of. Water it when it needs it. You know, it doesn't matter if it's soaked in water or not. It doesn't really matter, but don't soak it too long. It might start rotting. But it's got bulbs. So bulbs is the one that, it's kind of like tulip. I got it at the Amazon a while back, and it's beautiful, beautiful plants. I really love it. It puts out colors. It's colors on all my plants here indoor. And it's really, really pretty. Actually, I need to repot it before spring. That way it will put out more. So this one is very easy to take care of. Then have a very fancy care that it needs like orchids does. This one doesn't. Here's some of my Phalaenopsis orchids right here. Look how healthy those are. Very, very healthy. Right here, still flower. This is just some of my orchids. These are actually our keikis. That one is keiki right here. This is keiki right there. The mother plant's still alive, but it's dying. And I have, let me see what else. Oh, this one right here. There are three in one pot, and I need to separate that. That's my Phalaenopsis. But anyway, I just want to show it to you. This oxalis, maroon oxalis plant. Okay, thank you so much. If you like the video, please